Dear students, today we will learn division of decimal fractions. Division by 10, 100, 1000, etc. How we can divide decimal fractions by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Let's see. To divide a decimal fraction by 10, 100, 1000, etc., move the decimal point in the dividend by as many places to the left as there are zeros in the divisor. For example, first one, 4.83 divided by 10. Here we have to move the decimal point in the dividend by as many places to the left as there are zeros in the divisor. Here only one zero in the divisor. So we have to move decimal point in the dividend only one place to the left. So the answer is 0.483. Let's see second example. 4.83 divided by 100. Here divisor is 100. In divisor how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So we have to move decimal point in the dividend 2 places to the left. So the answer is 0.0483. Let's see third example. 4.83 divided by 1000. Here divisor is 1000. Here how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So we have to move decimal point in the dividend 3 places to the left. So 0.00483. Let's learn division of a decimal fraction by a whole number. For example, divide 0.96 by 8. We can write 0.96 as 96 by 100. 0.96 divided by 8 is equal to 96 by 100 into 1 by 8. Because here division sign converted into multiplication sign. So we have to write 8 as 1 by 8. Eight ones are 8 12s are 96. The answer is 12 by 100. We can write 12 by 100 as 0.12. Let's learn division of a decimal by a decimal. To divide a decimal number by a decimal number, first change the divisor into a whole number by multiplying the denominator by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Next, multiply the dividend or numerator also by the same number so that the value of the given number remains the same. For example, divide 0.81 by 0.3. 0.81 divided by 0.3. we can write 0.81 by 0.3. Here the divisor is 0.3. So first we have to change the divisor into a whole number by multiplying the denominator by 10, 100, 1000 as required. So here only one digit in the decimal part of 0.3. So we have to multiply 10 to change it to a whole number. So we have to multiply the numerator also by 10. So 0.81 into 10 by 0.3 into 10. 0.81 into 10 is equal to 8.1 by 0.3 into 10 is equal to 3. Next we have to divide 8.1 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Next we have to take 1 down. Here decimal point is there, so we have to put here decimal point. Next 3 7s are 21. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the answer is 2.7. Let's learn division of a whole number by decimal. How we can divide whole number by decimal? Let's see. To divide a whole number by decimal, convert the divisor into a whole number by multiplying the dividend and the divisor by 10 or 100 or 1000, depending upon the number of decimal places in the divisor, and then divide the new dividend or the product of the given dividend and 10 or 100 or 1000 by the whole number divisor. For example, 15 divided by 0.3. First we have to convert divisor into a whole number. We can write 15 divided by 0.3 as 15 by 0.3. First we have to convert divisor into a whole number. So we have to multiply 10 by 0.3. And we have to multiply 10 by 15 also. 15 into 10 is equal to 150 by 0.3 into 10 is equal to 3. Next we have to divide 150 by 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next we have to take 0 down. So we have to put here 0. So the answer is 50. Today's homework: solve exercise 10F in your